Welcome back. We all know that short people have more personality. That's why there's a song about it. And our next guest is no exception, making a big statement about embracing your body, self-empowerment. Please welcome actress, creator, and lecturer Batel Papura.
Welcome. Thank you so much.
You are amazing. And and even doing the research about you, you are such a light. I mean, you're not just taking what you do and just doing it. You're really a warrior of of empowerment. Is this something that you were just born with?
I think I didn't plan to become that. I wanted to be an actress, and as I understood, there will be much harder for me to find jobs, so I decided to create my own show and to tell my story. Fortunately, it was successful enough to grow here in Israel and then to go abroad.
Right.
So.
I mean, it really is unbelievable. And okay, so what was it like, I mean, for you as a child? When you were born in Romania and grew up here.
Yeah.
I mean, was it hard for you as a child, or you always just had that?
I grew up in the Krayot, like a small suburb next to the city of Haifa, and it's a very small suburb which is next to Merkaz Klita, all the people that came to Israel in the 90s, Russian, Georgian, Caucasian, so everyone was different. And for me to be a girl who is different in that area was very normal. Everyone were different, and I understood from a really, really young age that the way you carry yourself in the world, that's the way other people will react.
That's right. As within, so without.
Yeah. And it wasn't that hard. I don't have a lot of scars, or I remember that in my first day on first grade, and my first day in some kind of activity, there were laughs about my height, but I always knew how to carry myself and how to present myself. And today I even think it's a privilege. It's a privilege to be different because you are unique.
You're unique. I mean, just look at you, and you happen to have a lot of talent. I want to listen to a clip of your work, and we'll talk more.
Thank you so much.
My life has been a trip of will and try, cause if Beyonce does it, why can't I? I got no reason to apologize. I'm on a mission, so don't sell me any lies. I am stepping out of my cage. I was born to get on the stage, so you'd better ask, you better tell. Say my name, I am Batel. You should check me out, what it's all about. I am 4 feet tall, some people call it small. You're not the obvious typecast to play the girlfriend's role. You should check me out.
You are such a role model, and I know that you were, I mean, you're like Bette Midler. I mean, you do everything, huh? Are you really?
Thank you.
You're funny, you sing, you perform.
I think that's the way the world is going to. I think it's not enough for nowadays just to be an actress. You have to deliver, I think, something that has more value. You have to bring something to the world, to change something in the world, and not just to be beautiful or to do some lines. I think I see it.
And you're changing the world. Do you feel I mean, you really are helping to change the world.
That's what I'm trying. I can't say it about myself, but that's what I'm trying to achieve, and that's what I think bring more essence to the work. Because if you don't have that value in what you do, it's just work. You go, you make money. Sometimes you don't, but when you have value or you believe in what you have to say, then
it just radiates. I mean, that's kind of from Lamala, right?
Thank you, and it makes the art more artistic, I think.
Right, absolutely. And also, you were just in Edinborough at the festival there. What was that like?
It was overwhelming and amazing, and I never experienced anything like that. I was very scared to go there because it was my first time performing out of Israel, and it was my first time performing in English, and it was my first time performing in front of people who are not Israeli. So I didn't know how they are going to react, and it was just so moving because I got the same reactions that I get here, because it's true story and it's a human story. So people react to human stories because they are human themselves. And actually the hardest thing to do was not to perform, but was to produce the whole thing, because we were just me and my boyfriend, who I actually proposed.
You proposed to your boyfriend? How tall is your boyfriend?
I don't know how to say that in the metric system.
What is it in?
Metal shivim. How do you
So
say? He's taller than me. He's like in normal height. Yeah.
Normal height.
Yeah.
Well, Mazalta. So when are you going to get married?
I think in May.
Look at that, not only that, but you proposed.
I proposed. If you want something, go get it.
You know, my friend Fran Drescher, who is an actress, she has a name for it called Power Princess, and I think that like really says it best, is that you could be powerful but still be feminine, you know?
Yes, most of my, like a lot of my friends said to me, wow, it's such a feminist act to go and propose. And I didn't thought to myself, oh, I'm going to be a feminist warrior. I love him. And if I see something and I want something, why not go and grab it or reach it?
Thank God he said yes.
Yes, it was really, really shameful. I would give him there.
In Edinborough, you stay.
Yes.
We're going to put you in a skirt with a bagpipe, and you can't come back to Israel.
No.
Well, thank you so much. And please come back. Please come back. You're amazing.
I would love to come.